Welcome to my channel, guys. My name is Amy and today I will be making a shot. For this shot I'll be using 2 lemon, some turmeric, some ginger, and some garlic. And to be exact, I will weigh them by ounce. My lemon is 8.85 ounce to be exact. My turmeric is 2 ounce. My ginger is 3.65 ounce. And my garlic is 0.65 ounce. And you want to be very careful with this process because turmeric do stain, and you want to be very careful with your countertop or wherever you're doing it. So it'll be nice if you probably place a plastic under the juicer, and you could also do this by using a blender, but you may have to strain them, so just keep that in mind. And now I'm gonna go ahead and put all my stuff into the juicer. So this shot is good for your immune system. So if you have the cold, the flu, you work in toxic environment, it's really good. It really helps you feel better. And you could take this twice a day. All depends on how you feel. And I promise you in 7 days you're gonna feel really good. So I like to store my shot into this tiny bottle. It's very convenient for me to be on the go, but you could always fill yours in a bigger bottle and take a little at a time. But I love it. It's amazing. Just put a lid on them. There you have it. Perfect little bottle to go. I hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and if you have any questions, just leave them in a comment. And that's it. Stay healthy, guys. For this recipe, I've made 8 ounce total, and I put it in my small bottle. All you have to do is shake it and drink it, and on the go. I'm super excited. Thank you, guys. Bye bye.